Hello! Today we're going to show you how to bake autumnal scones. We are Little Pod. I'm Janet.
And I'm Peter, and this is the Ideal Home Show. Absolutely delicious. Right, let's get on with the scones. You ready? Autumnal scones. Shall I show you the ingredients?
Yes.
Quickly come over here and let me show you.
Okay.
So I have got some flour, self-raising flour. I've got some butter. I've got some soft brown sugar. I've got some figs. I've got some walnuts. In there's an egg, some milk, and a secret bit that needs to go in. The thing that I love more than anything. Where is it? Have you got any vanilla for me, Janet? Have you got any vanilla?
Well, Peter,
Go on.
Let's have a look and see. What do you think you're going to use today? We've got our vanilla pods, the different types of vanilla pods here.
Wow.
From Madagascar,
Right.
from our own farmers in Bali, Tanzanian vanilla pods, or would you prefer vanilla paste?
I love the vanilla paste. I have used it many, many times, as you know. So tell me, how many pods go in there?
Well, Peter, this is equivalent to 20 pods, seeds and all, okay? It's so easy because all the chefs tell me that they love the functionality of it. There's 1 teaspoonful, 1 pod.
And I'm going to add the flour and I'm going to put that in there together. And then I'm going to add the sugar. So at the moment we have the flour and the sugar. And I'm going to add the butter into my milk there. And into my 1 egg and 150 grams of milk. Could you add some of that vanilla in there, please?
I will.
Now you can add as much as you like. Be generous because it's such beautiful vanilla.
Here we go.
And put it in.
I'm going to give you a whole teaspoon.
But do you know what I love about it? Is the ease of that tube.
Yes.
And did you invent that tube? Was it you who came up with the idea? Tell me more.
In this little kitchen.
In here?
In here.
Wow.
Yeah. I invited a friend over from the States, actually.
Okay.
And we were friends at university, and he went into the vanilla business. And I decided to invite him over to talk to everyone in the village about real vanilla.
Can you pour that very gently into there?
Okay.
Now, I've added, as you saw, I've added the figs in there and I've added the walnuts in there, but you could use anything you like.
I love
very
walnuts.
autumnal scones.
It is.
Add that in for me, just nicely around, and I can see that vanilla there, and we're going to mix that all in. So it's very easy making a scone mix, but this is absolutely delicious. Also, when I'm baking, I also like to put a little bit of salt in. I think the salt works really well. So if you look at this, can you see the texture now that's coming together?
Yes.
The secret with a scone mix is not to overmix it.
Right.
Now, I've got a little bit extra flour, and I'm just going to put that over just to get the required texture that I'm looking for. While I'm doing that and I'm mixing it, I want to know about your real vanilla, Nature's Unsung Hero book, which you have just written.
This is my new book. When my friend Nash came over to talk to everybody about real vanilla, I asked him, what is the problem about vanilla? Because he said we could lose real vanilla within a generation.
Really?
Yeah. And it's on the IUCN list of endangered species.
Yes.
And so I wondered why that was. And he said, well, you see, it takes 5 years to produce a vanilla pod.
5 years?
5 years.
Wow.
It's a boom and bust cycle, and the farmers will only plant when the price is high.
Okay.
So, and the problem with that is, unfortunately, vanilla is easily replicated artificially. And so most of the vanilla essence that you get in the supermarkets, etc., it's not natural vanilla. It doesn't come in a vanilla pod.
So when did this book actually come out? It's very recent, isn't it? You were telling me.
Yeah, this came out on the 2nd of July. This is telling the story of the project that we were working on, and we've been working on for 13 years, with Maddy, a vanilla farmer in Bali. And it tells the story of the farmers on the equatorial belt, how they go about producing vanilla, why vanilla is so important. I mean, in cooking, vanilla's got over 500 complex compounds. You know, if you're working
and that is why it works so well with umami flavours.
Yeah.
And it works very well with marinade. I love it with chicken. Going back to this, look, you can see I'm getting on with the scones here. And as you can see, I haven't overworked this at all. I've been very gentle with the mix. And these are going to go in the oven and they're going to bake at 180 degrees now for about 12 to 15 minutes. I like to put a little bit of milk on top, and I'm just going to dip that in like so. So Janet, I'm just going to put the scones in the oven now. They cook for 12 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees. Now we're going to make the fruit compote, the apple compote to be precise. First things first, I'm taking little pod honey. Look at that. Delicious, eh? Can't beat a bit of honey. Now, what I'm going to add is I'm going to add the apples. Now, I've diced up the apples there, Janet. And you can use any apples you like. Granny Smith's I like. I also love Bramley apples, being a good British apple. And I've added some Coxes in there. But as it's up to you. Let that cook. So at the moment, it's a very, very simple recipe.
Okay.
Honey, apples, cooking.
Yeah,
now,
simple. Yeah.
what I do need is that wonderful ingredient, which is the paste. I love seeing that come out like that. Look how easy that is to use.
Well, exactly.
Eh?
And that's the reason I brought it to market. And that gives a value to all their pods.
Fantastic
And
idea.
makes it affordable for the home cook to use
Yeah.
it every day as an everyday store
Perfect, perfect. So, as you can see, you can smell that vanilla. I put a little bit of orange in there. That complements
I can
the
smell it.
scones really
smells
well.
lovely.
So, the scones are now going to be ready. Let's take them out the oven. Let's serve this. Now, you can serve this hot or cold.
Okay.
It's up to you.
Okay.
And we're also going to serve with the scones some clotted cream. Oh, delicious. There they go. Look
Excellent.
at those bad boys. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to dust them with a little bit of icing sugar. Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's really lovely. Can you smell that vanilla? Oh, can you smell that vanilla? Peter, it's hard to believe, isn't it? Isn't there a difference between real vanilla?
Delicious. Oh, there's a massive difference. You can't even... what can you say? It's like chalk and cheese, as they say. I'm going to put a little bit of compote of apple on there for you, Janet.
Yeah,
and
okay.
we're going to put some clotted cream on there. Excuse the hands. There you go. Look at that. For you.
Thank you.
I'll hold it. You take that one. Go on. Have a bite. You could have a bite.
Okay, thank you.
That's what food is about. Enjoyment. So what do we have? Autumnal scones. Loads of vanilla. Apple compote. Clotted cream with fig and walnuts. Absolutely delicious.
Thank you, Peter.
Pleasure. Let's eat some more.
Thank you for watching. This has been Janet and Peter. If you've enjoyed this video,
Then don't forget to subscribe. Click the link below and buy a ticket for the Cake and Bake Show.